I'm 9 months pregnant now, and here's what I ate on repeat throughout my pregnancy. I like to start my day with a simple probiotic smoothie. I load it with strawberries, mainly because I crave it, but also because it's got folic acid, which is great for the baby's brain and spinal cord. Wash the strawberries in vinegar and water to remove impurities. Let it soak for 10 minutes, then rinse. Boil some water to soften the dates. Leave it in there for about 10 minutes. The dates are so good because they ripen the cervix, which can shorten your time in labor. Chop and juice some oranges. In a blender, add strawberries, a banana, the dates, a lot of kefir, which has billions of probiotics, orange juice, and blend until smooth. I swear by this drink, literally had no constipation problems throughout my pregnancy. Then I like to make a real simple steamed eggs with bone broth in a clay pot. Slowly heat up a clay pot from low heat to medium-high heat over the course of 5 minutes. While the pot is warming up, whisk some eggs together. Add some bone broth and salt. I made my own bone broth here, but the one from Trader Joe's in the fridge section is actually really good. Mix it well, then strain it to ensure a smooth mixture. When the pot is warmed up, add a little bit of avocado oil and roasted sesame oil just to thinly coat the bottom of the pot. Then pour in the egg broth mixture. Cook on medium-high heat for about 3 minutes. When you see small bubbles simmering around the edges like this, turn down the heat to medium-low and cover the pot for another 3 minutes. I always feel so good after eating this. It's rich in collagen and high in protein. Okay, I don't know what it is, but every time I have steamed eggs, I want something crispy, savory, crunchy to go with it. And these Trader Joe's hash browns does the trick. Microwave the patties in the oven for 30 seconds, then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Place the patties in the air fryer and spray it with a little bit of avocado oil. So I got a glass air fryer, which I hear is healthier than the plastic ones, but I'm learning that I have to set it at a higher temperature to get the same amount of crispiness. So here I have it set at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Halfway through the 15 minutes, I flip the patties, spray some more avocado oil, and let it continue to cook until it looks golden brown and crispy like this. The crunch on this is insane. I always look forward to breakfast. This is one of the best meals during my pregnancy.